For the joining round, we are going to be joining both of the legs together. So you will need both of the legs finished and ready to go at this point. So with the first leg, remember you're fastening off. No need to fasten off with a long tail. For the second leg, do not fasten off because we are going to continue working with it. So with the second leg, you are going to be at the very side of the leg when you leave off from your round. If you're not at the very side of the leg, as you can see with the foot pointing forward here, I'm at the side. If you're not at the very side, just make a single crochet or two or however many you need to get to the side. Okay, because what we're going to be doing is starting with 2 chains, 1, 2. These will be the chains in the middle, and we're going to connect the second leg you made here with the first leg you made at the very side as well. Now you're going to want to make sure both feet are pointing forward, and we want to align them together. So if I squeeze it flat, I can see which stitch is on the very side. So here I can tell that this stitch would be my on the very side. So I'm going to insert my hook here. After those 2 chains, you're going to simply do a single crochet to join the 2 legs together. Then you're going to do single crochets all around this entire leg. Now, since we already did 1 and there are 10 stitches total, we'll need to do 9 more single crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, coming around here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then you're going to, after 9 stitches, you're going to find yourself on the other side of that first leg you crocheted. And you're going to insert a single crochet in each of the chains in the middle. So that's 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets. And now you're going to continue at the second leg that you crocheted. So I'm inserting my hook into the next stitch here, as you can see. And I'm going to single crochet around the second leg too. And that's going to be a total of 10 single crochets around. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, we're coming to the front here. Now we're going to finish up this round by doing a single crochet in each of the chains across. So I'm going to insert my hook into the first chain, do a single crochet, and go into the second chain, making sure I can see my stitches here, and do a single crochet. And that's that for my first round, going all the way around, single crocheting all the way around in each of these stitches. With 10 stitches in one leg, 10 stitches in the other leg, and a total of 4 single crochets in the middle from the 2 chains, you're going to have a total of 24 stitches in this round. As you work along, we're just going to single crochet around to build up this lower body section, and these rounds of 24 stitches will perfectly match the top of the doll as you can see here, this doll's body is 24 stitches around. So once we've done the lower body part, we can actually attach it to the upper body part. Let me just flip the dress over. So these are the opening stitches that we will be attaching the bottom to once we're done there. All right, so they should match stitch for stitch because there are 24 stitches in these 2 rounds. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful for showing you how to join the 2 legs together to make the body. So keep working here. And you may notice that I did not do the little sock edging here for this one leg. I forgot to do that before I started using this white yarn. So I'm gonna have to finish that part and then come back and do the little sock edging. So I have this little ridge, slight ridge here for the sock. And this part's smooth because I haven't done it yet. All right, here are my little boot flaps, and I still have yet to put laces into my little boots here. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Again, hope this was helpful. Give this video a like and check out the written pattern to go along with this. All right, take care now and happy crafting. Bye.